So we're in settings. Now we're going to click on FaceTime. Then press incoming calls. Then you're going to choose banner. No, not full screen. Unless you want, whenever you get an incoming call, you want it to absolutely dominate your screen. Okay, so here's a handy trick if you want to quickly access the camera app. So swipe up, then you're going to view the camera button, tap and hold, and then it will say take a selfie, record a video, take a photo, or record slow-mo. Now, if you just tap the button, then it will bring you to the camera app straight away, no options. Try this yourself sometime. Really cool. Okay, time for airdrop. Now, let's say you want to share an app. Tap and hold the app like this, then press share app. Then it will bring it close to your other device. Press your device. Then it will send it to your other device, which in this case is my iPad.